sheet. This is very exciting. Oh, thank God. It's nice to have someone to help me carry this stuff into the bus, man.
You alright?
Just a little one. Perfectly fit though. Okay, so we're gonna get it off the wall.
Kick it in.
And
oh, so you want it off the wall on both sides?
yeah, because we're gonna cover that with the wall itself. Was coming down and covering it, so it won't matter. But in order to have it fall into place and miss this, it needed to be short.
Gotcha.
Okay. Oh, the drill. Let's get out there. Yay! There.
Stand up straight in the bus. There are 2 places that Mike can stand up straight in Bussy McBusface.
That's right. All right, so we're gonna add a 1/4 inch to this. So this is what I got.
That's what he's got.
Oh.
This is what I got. Standing up. So a 1/4 inch, and I'm gonna basically need a full-time chiropractor.
You pretty much can't visit us, Mike.
Yep,
I'm sorry.
nope, never coming over.
Okay, my entire hand flat above your head.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. You can come visit on the roof though, because we'll have the margarita deck up there.
I'm good with margarita.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The bad days are gone, and now I'm on the road. Let me tell you,
what you would buy from a store.
It should have been.
Look at all this floor space.
So
you
much
do aerobics in here.
So many activities.
I just give you a 27 mark. That's a good question. How wide is the washing machine again?
26, 27, somewhere in that ballpark.
Man, this is cool to see. Like, I'm standing in here now realizing Hey, this is a good deal of area to get dressed in.
Yeah,
It's bigger than I thought.
that's our whole bedroom.
And walking through here, not a big deal.
Not at all. Doorway, right here.
Not a big deal at all. But
It's a good. Well, look at 1.5.
yeah.
I think I have the floor plan all taped out, for now at least. So starting when you come in the steps, there's going to be shelves for, I call it the boot barn. This is going to be for Mike's shoes on this side. And it's kind of behind the door and yucky right now, but when that's all cleaned out, there's going to be a shoe bin for me on this side too. So the sofa will be on your left. And across from it will be, and it's kind of a mini dinette. It's not super wide, but there's a little bit of storage right here behind the first seat, because this is right behind the driver's seat too. And then the first seat of the dinette, the table, and the other seat of the dinette, which I guess we're going to go ahead and make it to where it makes down into an extra bed for when people come over.
Right.
But we're going to have an actual full-size sofa over here. Where this says sofa, I'm not talking about like building a wood platform and making some homemade cushions on top of that. We're talking about a sofa from the furniture store that's all springy and soft and cushiony, and if you want to kick it and sleep there.
Right, and that's going to be the place we spend a lot of time. We want it to be
Yeah.
the comfort place.
Yeah, we're not building this for travel. We're building this is our home. This is our tiny house.
Right.
So yeah, we're having some real furniture in here. Obviously, kitchen, stove, counter space, and fridge will be built into, it's the built-in like RV fridge thing. Across from that, there's going to be a pantry on this side that goes all the way up to the ceiling with, as you open the cupboards, it'll have this slide out kind of drawer shelf thingies. I don't know what those are called.
Yeah.
Slide out shelf,
Right.
drawer, whatever they're called. Yeah. We're going to go with, instead of the standard home size, which would be a 26-inch deep countertop, I think we're going to go with 24 inches. I don't know what RVs usually do, but just by making our countertops only 24 inches on either side, it gave us an extra 4 inches of floor width. So look at all this floor space. We can do so many activities. No, realistically, I want to be able to do yoga, and there's not really a lot of space. Like, I don't really know how much space the sofa is going to take up, and the dinette might come out a little bit wider, so that walk space might get a little bit narrower. I'm not sure. But in the kitchen, I feel like it's wide enough that I could lay down my yoga mat on the floor and have a space for yoga. So there's going to be overhead storage in the kitchen on both sides as well too. So we have plenty of kitchen storage. From the kitchen coming through into the master bedroom suite. On the left, there's actually going to be kind of, the doorway will open this way. And behind the door, there's going to be tucked away a utility closet that is kind of the man closet. It's going to have all the electrical wiring and
Fuses, breaker boxes.
yeah, all the man stuff. So he has his own designated location for that also has access, oops, how does it go, to outside. So that's a kind of a, I don't know, cool, unique little feature we have for the man closet. And it will also have a door here so that you don't see anything that's closed away in there. Next to that is the washing machine. Across from this is the shower, and we'll have a Nature's Head composting potty. The way we have the floor plan laid out right now, it's always subject to change, it has changed many times. There's going to be like just kind of a partial wall here, we think, to prevent shower water from spraying out into the hallway area there. And then this is going to be a low partition wall. So It will prevent water from the shower from splashing all over our composting toilet. We don't want that getting showered. But it will allow us, instead of having the wall come all the way up and have it feel really enclosed in here, it's going to give us a lot more just elbow room, space to move around while we're in our shower. So that's our idea so far for that. But here's what I think is cool, is that as you step out of the shower, you have plenty of space coming through the little hallway here into our master bedroom area. Woo! It's a bright sunshiny day in Arizona. And this is a part of the floor plan I'm excited about because I've seen so many people in other videos like standing in cramped little narrow hallways trying to do whatever they need to do in the back of their bus. And I wanted plenty of space. So you can step out of the shower and dry yourself off right here. This is also where you would be getting dressed because on one side is going to be my closet with like double opening doors and a drawer that slides out down here. And across from that, mirror image, pretty much the same thing, a big deep drawer down here, and then double doors for closets. Probably be like hanging clothes on one side and shelves on the other. So there's a lot of room. We really have a lot of room for storage in these spaces. And then plenty of space for activities, for getting dressed or whatever we need to do, and not feeling like we're in a cramped, closed-in space. And then right here is where the bed will be, and it sits like the mattress will literally sit on a frame right here. The water tanks will be underneath. How many? Like almost 200 gallons?
200 gallons.
Something like that. And then the whole platform will lift on some kind of, what is it, hinge?
Magic.
Magic. So there's access to the water tanks, but then our bed level is kind of equal with the window and with this back ledge here. So when we're parked in a beautiful location, we wake up in the morning to beautiful views. Well, I think I'm happy with it.
I'm really happy with it.
I mean, there's still room to make changes if we want to. One of the things I didn't talk about as I was showing the shower and where the composting toilet is going to be is kind of a all open one space without a closing door on it right at the toilet. So for us, I mean, it's just the two of us living here. All we have to do is shut the door between the kitchen and the master bedroom area. And that's your privacy.
Everything.
Yeah, I was totally surprised the way I had it drawn on graph paper pretty much to scale. I still thought I did not have enough storage. I thought there was no way that I was gonna have enough storage. And this is looking at it from like an above view floor plan on a piece of paper, right? But then when I started sketching out, like, okay, I allotted for this many, this much feet of kitchen cupboard, drawer, whatever space. Like, it was a lot. I had given myself a lot more space than I thought. Like, I'm almost feeling guilty now because there's so many cabinets he's gonna have to build. What's that kind of cabinet you're building? The faceless?
Oh, the European frameless.
Frameless.
Yep.
Yeah, the European style cabinets that like give you they don't waste any space. But oh my gosh, we're gonna have tons of storage in the kitchen. Tons of storage in the bedroom.
I would, that's something I wanted to say. These closets are bigger than the space I have to store my stuff now.
They're bigger than the closet in our house, and we only have one that we're sharing.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have that many button-down shirts and stuff, but with the closet we have here, I can hang my t-shirts. I can hang everything. I have like so much space to hang my stuff from floor to ceiling and store my stuff. It's like way more. So I'm personally, I'm coming out ahead in the storage department because, I was worried like, I'm gonna have to pare it down to like one pair of shorts and one pair of pants.
I was terrified.
I can like buy more.
I thought we were gonna have to be like extreme minimalists where you have like 5 shirts and 3 pairs of pants, and I was like,
not even close.
Oh.
We have so much space for our clothes. It's awesome.
Hallelujah.
Right? I can't even begin to tell you how much thought goes into this. Just sit down. There's been heated arguments about like the floor plan and how
it's-
things go, and trying to understand the other person's dream.
And
for
it's
this.
so funny what you think you want in the beginning or what you think is important to you changes kind of as you're really drawing it out and really thinking it through.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed our videos. It's awesome that you guys, we just passed 500 subscribers, and I can't even tell you how cool that was. It was such a landmark for us. Like, we were just so excited when that happened. We were standing there watching it, waiting for it to go, and it's just been so great. As we're sitting on the couch here, big old high five goes down. And for every one of you guys, I'm telling you, we appreciate it so much. You guys motivate us to make videos, and you know, without you guys, we would not be pushing record on this camera. I'll tell you the truth, we wouldn't. And it's been so much fun. Your guys' comments are appreciated. If you guys like the video, give us a like. If you guys want to follow along, click the subscribe button, and also go to that little bell thing and follow us. You'll be alerted when our videos come out. And we try to get one out about once a week, but no promises. This is a lot of work. So, thank you guys so much. God, do I look like the fucking Pope?